Hello everyone, welcome to Environment and Ecology series with Dr. Vivek Rana. Hope your preparation is on right track. Today we'll be focusing on decoding important topic from biodiversity conservation, which you all know in UPSC prelims is quite quintessential section. So we'll be decoding, as you could see on your screen, the 4 new Ramsar sites of India. So first of all, let's focus on the basics of the topic. As you can say, I'm just highlighting Ramsar word. So what exactly is the Ramsar Convention? So Ramsar Convention is an intergovernmental convention which was held way back in 1971 in the Iranian city called Ramsar, where the main focus was to conserve wetlands of international importance, primarily as habitat for conservation of aquatic birds, because we need to conserve their habitat, otherwise we can lose our precious biodiversity. So India is also signatory to this prestigious convention. We ratified it in 1980s. Now coming to why conservation is important. First of all, wetlands are, you could say, areas of marsh, peatland or water, whether permanent or temporary, artificial or natural, with water static or flowing, freshwater, brackish or salt, including areas of marine water, depth of which at low tides does not exceed 6 meters. So this is a formal definition which was given in the Ramsar Convention. And in other words, we can say the more simplified version of definition could be, as you could see on your screen, that wetlands are nothing but a transitional zone between aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems, where water table is usually near or at surface level. So it's a type of an ecotone. So I hope you are clear about what Ramsar Convention is and what are these wetlands. Now coming to the current part which we are decoding, we have said that recently 4 new sites have been added to the Ramsar Convention. So India already had 42 Ramsar sites which we had covered in our class lectures. Today we are adding 4 new sites to this. So the new sites are from Haryana and Gujarat. Haryana is the first state to have its first ever Ramsar sites, and the names are quite important. If you are from Haryana, this should not be any surprise for you. It's Sultanpur National Park and it's the Bhindwas Sanctuary. Sultanpur is in Gurugram and Bhindwas Sanctuary is in the Jhajjar district. As you could see on your screen, a lot of birds are being shown in this. There is no need to mug up all the birds. As an environmental student, you just have to focus on critically endangered species. In Sultanpur wetland, we can say currently 2 critically endangered species are naturally found. One is the sociable lapwing and another one is the endangered Egyptian vulture. And to Bhindwas, you have to just memorize that it's the largest wetland of state of Haryana. So we are all anticipating HCS prelim shortly. So you can expect a factual question on these 2 sites. So if you are targeting HCS prelims, these 2 sites are quite important for you. And the other 2 sites which have been added are from Gujarat. Gujarat already had Nal Sarovar, you could say wetland. And now the 2 new sites are, as you could see on your screen, it's the Dhol wetland and we have the Vadhwa wetland. And once again, the social lapwing is the bird which is critically endangered found in these habitats. So make sure you add these 4 sites, their critically endangered birds and their specific geographical locations on map, because you can expect anything from UPSC. We all know UPSC is a tough nut to crack. So I hope this short value addition was a useful one to all of you. If you have any specific doubts, you can reach us at Vivek IAS Career Academy, the premier institute for training civil servants of North India. We'll be more than happy to answer your queries.